Interior design is not just a profession but a way of life. It is an art form that allows interior designers to express their creativity while reflecting the personality of the homeowner. Designers have a sense of style and know how to use symmetrical and asymmetrical colors to create balance. What are the basics of interior design? These are the rules that designers follow to create functional and aesthetic spaces. They are represented by the main principles of interior design: balance, proportion, and measurement; focus, harmony, contrast, and attention to final details. 1. Balance. Balance in design is about distributing furniture and accessories as evenly as possible so that the items have the same visual weight when looking at the room. To achieve balance, it is important to pay attention to how the elements are distributed. For this, we must carefully analyze the shape, color, and texture of the different pieces. There are 3 types of balance: symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial. Symmetrical balance. Traditional rooms require symmetrical balance, which is the art of reflecting and matching every aspect of the design. For example, placing 2 chairs on either side of a coffee table. This type is easy to achieve due to the repetition of furniture pieces on both sides. This technique is also known as the mirror effect. Asymmetrical balance lines, colors, shapes, and textures are balanced without the need for precise repetition. This type is not as neat as a symmetrical design and can be more modern and exciting. For example, balance the furniture in the living room by placing the sofa in the middle and placing the 2 chairs next to each other. Radiation balance. It is achieved when there is a central focal point with other elements around it. For example, a round dining table with chairs around it. 2. Ratio and measurement. The concept of proportion and scale is the perfect way to create a feeling of comfort by balancing things with each other, whether in size, shape, or color. The importance of this principle lies in understanding how to use the surrounding area. Whether it is a large or small room, try to collect furniture pieces that have similar heights and dimensions and fit the space. 3. Focus. The principle of focus in interior design calls for choosing one element in the room to be the center of attention and around which the rest of the decor revolves. Color is one of the most powerful tools you can use to create focus. A dark color will immediately attract the eye, so if you want to highlight a specific area, using an intense color in that area is best to highlight it. Fabric is also used to create focus, such as rough fabric that stands out more than fine fabric. 4. Unity and harmony. Unity is an important feature in home interior design. All furniture elements should work together to create a cohesive unit, and cohesion of design elements adds beauty to your interior design. The principle of harmony is to coordinate objects and colors in a space to convey a sense of integrated design. We can achieve harmony using different methods, such as using similar colors and textures, or creating a focal point. When harmony is used in interior design, it makes the space look cohesive and attractive. 5. Contrast. There are many ways to create contrast. Combining light and dark or warm and cool colors can create a striking change. Contrast provides visual interest and helps define spacing. 6. Details. Attention to detail is another basic principle in home decor. The final design cannot look cohesive and personal without the right detailed touches that make the design unique. Interior design basics in home decor. Interior design and art decor is the science of understanding space and its applications, dealing with the arrangement of furniture, colors, lighting, and other elements to create a harmonious atmosphere. In order to get the most out of your home decor, it is important to consider these basic elements. Planning compatible with the space of the house. Before starting to design, it is important to plan the space by creating diagrams that provide a visual representation of how the space will look. These charts should take into account the size of each room, home decor, and a lot of other elements. Choose style. There are several styles in interior decoration: classic design style, modern style, neoclassical style, traditional style, Scandinavian style, contemporary style, and minimalist style. Before starting the design, you must determine the style that suits you. You can mix 2 styles together to find your favorite style. You can also draw inspiration for your own style from a favorite color or pattern, a piece of art, or anything that has a special meaning to you. Use this inspiration as a basis in your space to make it look exceptional. Choose colors. Choosing colors is an important part of interior design, as they can greatly affect the appearance of a home, whether the scheme,